Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. It's been ages, it's been months. I know, but I came here with a bang. I came here with a surprise. Guess what? If you're new to my channel, my name is Scilla Krystodea. Don't forget to press the subscribe button and give it a big fat like. Unboxing iPhone Pro Max. The box comes in black, like that. Black box with a gold something. Unboxing. This is the back. Okay. Going 1, 2, 3. Obviously, like that. Looks good. Okay, we'll come back to this. This is it. It comes with a wire, and let me see what this is. Oh, this is the sticker, the regular stickers, and the manual, and I don't know what this is. Yeah, basically. Wait, where is the thing? The thing you put your thing in it. Oh my God, there's nothing like that. This is it. This here, wire here, nothing. Oh, you gotta buy your own, the squirt thing. You gotta buy your own thing. It just comes with this. Wow, iPhone, Apple, you've been doing too much. Okay, so to the real phone, look at this. It comes with a gold plated. Oh my God, this is so. Look at this. Oh my God. This is really pretty. Unveiling time. Going 1, 2, 2.5. Oh my God. 3. This is the new iPhone 12 Pro Max in gold plated. The back looks like an off-white. I don't know what you can see. It looks like an off-white, but the gold is on this side, and this is it. This is so pretty, yo. This is really pretty. This looks like iPhone 4 Pro Max. If there was an iPhone 4 Pro Max or iPhone 4 Max, iPhone 4X Max, this is it. If you want to go back to the old iPhone, buy the iPhone 12 mini. But if you want a bigger version, iPhone 4X Max, this is it. This is 4X Max, yo. It came in the same, how you call it? Oh, this is so nice, and it's heavy. This is so cute. I'm in love, y'all. This is so nice. Look at the 3 cameras with the touch and the little thing beside the camera. Look at this. It is gold plated. This is so good. You see it? Let's do the standing test. It really can't stand. I'm trying to let it stand, but it's not standing, yo. I believed in you, right? Oh. Let's see how it looks. Hello. Welcome back to my channel. Do you subscribe yet? Hola, mami. Subscribe. Hello. I think that's Dutch. Bonjour. One thing is, if you want to turn it off, when you press this button, you see it can have emergency call, accessibility option, Wi-Fi, start over, and it's shut down. So this button is doing more like 5 jobs altogether. So you get, when you want to shut it down, then you press it. Until then, yes, before you slide it to shut down. Yes, this is the new iPhone 12 Pro Max. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoy it, subscribe, share, like it. Thank you.